Hey there, YouTuberverse, the Tinker Bandit here, and it's the 23rd of February, and it is time to draw the last two winners of the kitchen knife giveaway. First of all, I just want to thank everybody, whether you've just come on for the giveaway just in the last couple of weeks, or if you've been with me this entire time. Thank you so very much for your support. I'm going to be doing, actually, probably once a quarter, a giveaway of some sort, whether it's a 3D printed item or some other project that I've done or something out of the laser. I will be giving something away probably at least once a quarter. And I will continue to do videos once every 2 weeks. That's about the best I can swing with my day job. But thank you so very much for your support. It is greatly appreciated. And let's go ahead and do these drawings. Now the first one up, the first knife up is the bread knife. So this is a Malaysian blackwood handle, laser etched bread knife. And the winner is Dylan Prinsloo. You have won the bread knife, Tinker Bandit Edition bread knife. Thank you so much for your support. I'll be getting in touch really soon, see how I can get this over to you. Thanks again. Next, let's move on. Let's do the paring knife. Now this paring knife is micarta handle, Damascus steel, laser etched, beautiful piece of work. Love doing it. And the winner is Josh Austin. Josh Austin, you have won the Bandit Edition paring knife. Thank you so very much for your support. And to everybody who has been supporting me. Thank you again. I really appreciate that. I will be getting in touch very soon to see how we can get this over to you. And with that, thank you for participating. I've got a lot of cool stuff coming up. Be safe and keep on tinkering.